How to recover TikTok drafts. To get started, you first need to open the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the home page of TikTok. From this page, you need to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you are in this page, tap on the three bars at the top right corner. Then go to Settings and Privacy from the menu. After that, tap on the Account option. Then you need to tap onto this option, Download your data. Once you are in, you can select your data or the file format from here. Then tap on to this Request Data button. You will then be taken to this page, where you can see you have requested for all the data from TikTok. So by following these steps, one can easily recover TikTok drafts. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.